You can tell me nothing. Oh, man, look, man, I'm Hamish, but a lot of people sometimes they like to call me 25 bacteria or bacteria diners, 9 River Soldier, or you can call me 9 River Soldier. Let's get started, man. So you FaceTime, there's a lot of new ones here, okay? So when you get here, if you're new, you know you're new, you've never been here, and you haven't subscribed, come here, right here, subscribe, click the subscription button. Let's get to the business. A culture start with 680 bacteria. Okay, so the culture start with 680 bacteria. After 30 minutes, the count is that. Oh, so they start with that, and then after 30 minutes, the count is that. So first and foremost, you need to know the formula of decaying and half-life. But it's not about half-life. It's about decay, exponential decay. So this is a formula. We say NT equal to N naught times EKT, whereby this, is a number of the population or whatever the mind after a certain period of T, and this is how it started initial. So let's say a culture start with 680 bacteria. So initial was 680 bacteria. Oh, they take my name over there, man. 680 bacteria. Final, do we know? We don't know, but they say after 30 minutes. Oh, so our time means what we're going to get is after. Time is 30 minutes, but we don't know what is that you're going to get here. E. Do you have a K? K is a constant. We don't have K. Okay, so time we have 30 minutes. So now change your minutes to an hour. Okay, for this case, you know what I'm saying? Change your minutes to an hour. So 30 minutes is like half an hour or 0.5. Half an hour. You know what I'm saying? So let's say culture count. Look, after 30 minutes, we got this. So n of 30 minutes, or half an hour. Let's say half an hour because we changed to hours. So this is going to be half an hour. Excuse me, what I'm saying? So it's like 0.5 or half an hour. So our n of half an hour equal to, let's say after 30 minutes, it became 3/4. That was it. So this is going to place here with that 3/4. And this is going to be 680. E a half K, or you can say K half, or prefer to say a half K. It makes a lot of sense. Okay, cool. So now what I'm going to do, divide by 680 throughout. Divide by 680 throughout means divide this by 680 and divide by 680. It's in this concept, so this one you divide 0, 0 go. Put in the calculator. If you put in the calculator, check the calculator here. Oh, it's a calculator. Okay, I think it's going to give us 5 if I'm not mistaken. 34 divided by 680. Because 1 0 and 1 0 go here, so or you can just divide by how it is, no problem. Divided by 680. Okay. So we get 5. Oh, so we get 5 here. So 5 equal to E a half K. So just like I always say, right? Whenever you have in this situation and you have an E, if you have an E here and then you have something looking for there, what should you apply? Lean or long. Some people are called lean, long, whatever. Okay, so this will be long of E a half K. Okay, so it's E a half K. So what we're going to do next, take all these to the back of long. So this is going to be long of 5, and this is going to be a half K, because anything here is always go to the back. A half K ln of E. But ln of E equal to, what I'm talking about, ln of E equal to 1. Ln of E equal to 1, so this is going to be 1. So ln of 5 equal to a half times a half K. So how are we going to get K? Divided by half, or multiply by 2 throughout. You know what I'm saying? Multiply by 2 here. Or you can cross, so this 2 is going to come in, it's going to be 2. Ln of 5 equal to K. So we got K already, okay? So since we got K, we go to the next tab, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. So now we say, oh, so we have a K already. So after getting a K, they say find the formula for the number of bacteria after period T. Oh, so we're going to use this again. After T hours. Hours. That's why even this time I changed to hours. But if it was in minutes, I was supposed to leave it 30 minutes, 30 minutes. But it's in hours. That's the reason why I changed it to this minutes to hour. But if they say in second, I should have changed this to second. So it's all depending how they're going to ask you. So for that case, okay, so I'm going to say, oh, this is going to be n of t, because the problem here was k. I didn't know k. So n of t equal n naught initial equals 680. And then have e, I know my k now. What is my k? My k equal to that one, 2 ln of 5, okay? So kt, so it's going to be 2 ln of 5. Or if you don't want to write like this, you can take, you see this one here? You can take here. So it's going to be ln of 5 squared equal to k. Or you can say k equal to ln of, what is 5 squared? 25. So ln of 25. So I can say ln of 25. Instead of k here, I'll say ln of 25. And then multiplies by t. So what is that t? After period t. So that's what we're looking for the first one. You know what I'm saying? Now use the formula to find the number of bacteria after 1 hour. You see, this is the reason why I changed my stuff to hours. You know, I think I should have explained to you before. Because not all the time you change to hour or minutes. It depends on what they're going to ask you here. If they was going to ask me minutes, and then I'm supposed to operate everything in minutes. But if they ask me second, and then I'm supposed to change this to second, but multiply by 60. You know? So for the number 2, use the formula to find the number of bacteria after 1 hour. Oh, so number of bacteria after 1 hour. Okay? So it's going to be 680. And then we say E ln of 25 times all these bracket times I always put your bracket. So this time we say 680 E ln of 25. You know what I'm saying? That's going to be ln of 25. So you can take that one and plug in the calculator. Okay, so now this is going to be okay. Another thing, no. If whenever you have, let's say this is E and then ln of x, this is equal to x. You know what I'm saying? If I have an E ln of, say, let's say 3, this is equal to 3 mathematical. So that means this stuff here, see this? Equal to 25. So because E ln of something here. So this equals 680 times 25. And plug in the calculator. If you plug in the calculator, you're going to get 17300. So you get 17123. So this is after 1 hour. After 1 hour, means after 1 hour, number of bacteria after 1 hour equal to 17123. So this is for the second one. Let's go for the last one. Let's after how many minutes? Oh, so now I kind of play with the minutes now, okay? But let me stick to hours, because everything in hour, even this formula derived in hour. And then when I get my time, I'll change it to minutes. Oh yes. Okay, so now say after how many minutes will the number of bacteria triple? What is triple? Triple is like something 3 times of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my formula right here. So let's take our formula. So this is what we've done. Let's make some spaces here, okay? Because since we're done with this business, and I don't need most of this thing here. I think I need K. I need K and okay, I can erase this, the second part, so we have enough space. Because this is sorted. So it's been sorted. Oh, the whiteboard is falling, okay? It's falling. Okay, cool. So now we go for 3. So for 3, how many times? So let's write the formula. NT equal to N initial EKT. How long we're looking for the time? K do we have? Oh yes, we have the value of K equal to that one. E, oh okay, E we know in the calculator. And not initial, we know initial was the same thing. 680. Finally, so finally it was triple. Means if it was 680, here's going to be 3 times 680, because they say it will number bacteria triple. Okay, so triple means it's going to be initial 680, but finally was triple, means 3 times 680. If they say double, 2 times. You know what I'm saying? But they say it was triple, 3 times how it started. And they say EK. Do you have it? Oh yes, we have. Ln of 25 times T. This is what we're looking for right now. So what I'm going to do, divided by 680, divided by 680. So divided by 680, divided by 680. So this and this cancel. Okay, this and this cancel. So I'm left with 3 equal to E ln of 25, and all of this times T. You know what I'm saying? So I'll say times T. So now, like I always tell you, if you have an E power something, you're looking for whatever you have a ln here. So what you have to do, you have to apply ln throughout. Okay? Easy like that. So if you have an E power, whatever you're looking for there, if you want to get the value of whatever's there, you must apply ln. So I'm going to say ln of 3 equal to ln of E, and then here I'm going to say ln of 25, all this times t. So what happened? This is going to come here front. You know, it can go behind ln. So we have a ln of 3. That's a rule, right? Like if you have an e power x, if you apply ln, this x is going to come behind. It's going to be ln of e, and ln of e equal to 1. So this is not part of the question, just explanation. So this is going to come here behind. It's going to be ln of 25 times t. Or let me put t before. And then it's going to be ln of e. But ln of e equal to 1, not ln of e equal to 1. You not that. Ln of e equal to 1, also ln of 1 equal to 0. But this is not part of the question. I'm just saying. Okay? So what happened now? This ln of e equal to 1. But anything times 1 is that something. So this is going to be ln of 3 equal to t times ln of 25. Because times 1 is going to be this. A times 1 equal to A. Times 1 equal to that. So we want to get t. What we're going to do? Divide by ln of 25. Divide by ln of 25. And this is divided by ln of 25. So our value of t. So finally, I'm going to say, you know what I'm saying? So finally, we're going to say, okay, so finally, we're going to say our t equal to ln of 3 over ln of 25. That's all. So this is going to be our t, you know. Let's see if we did everything correct. Yes, okay. So this is our time, but remember this time is in hours. So if you have hours and then you want to change something to minutes, how you change 1 hour, how many minutes? 60. But how did you get it? Because you take hour multiplied by 60. So this stuff here, it must be multiplied by 60. So in this time, if you want to change to minutes, so this is in hour. So if you want to change this to minutes, I'm going to say 60 multiply this, which is what is? Ln of 3 over ln of 25. But I can simplify this because this ln of 25 I can simplify a little bit because they say simplified form. Simplified. Look, if I say ln of 25, this let me say ln of 5 square, and then this square can go back. It's going to be 2 ln of 5. But what is the intention of doing this? Because I know if I want to plug in here, look, it's going to be t equal to 60. So it's 2 ln of, so numerator is fine, but denominator is going to be 2 ln of 5. You know what I'm saying? Why do this? Because I know this and this is going to cancel, which is going to give me 30. This is in simplified form. In a simplified form, more simplified form. So this is going to be 30. So it's going to be 30 ln of 2 ln of 5. So the final answer is going to be summertime. So this is in minutes, right? You know what I'm saying? In minutes. It's going to be 30 over 2 equal to 6 over 2 equal to 30 ln of 3 over ln of 2. So this is in hour, but it's in minutes. Excuse me, I say now. Oh my, what did I say? No, it's in minutes. So that's how it be. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you do it, man. So this is, you have let your answer in the long form, and that's how it go. That's your final answer. Answer. Oh. Answer. Final answer. Oh. We done. Done? Yes. Then, right here, check my sweat. We done, man. I'm out here, man. Thanks a lot for your time. And this is how we do, man. You know what I'm saying? So thanks a lot for being here. And leave a comments. Definitely gonna give that love in your comments. You know what I'm saying? Thanks a lot for your patience and for always be there. Thanks a lot. You make a big part of the family. Bye.